In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your Doordash merchant bank account for payouts. Whether you're switching banks or just need to correct your payout details, this quick walkthrough will help you make the change confidently and avoid delays. To start, sign in to the Doordash merchant portal using your business credentials. If you manage more than one location, make sure you've selected the correct store or account profile before moving on, since banking settings apply to the location you're viewing. It also helps to confirm you have the right permissions on your account to make financial updates. Once you're in, head to the section labeled Banking or Payout Settings. Depending on your portal layout, you might find this in the sidebar, under Settings, or within a Finance or Payments area. Take a second to scan the page so you know where your current payout method is displayed and where you'll update it. Now choose Edit if you're replacing an existing account, or Add Bank Account if you're setting up a new one. Enter your updated bank details carefully. You'll typically need the bank name, routing number, account type, and the legal name on the account. Make sure the account can receive ACH transfers and that the business or individual name you enter matches what your bank has on file. It's a good idea to type the numbers manually and double check every digit. Even a single transposed number can cause a payout to fail. If you're copying and pasting, watch out for extra spaces. When you're done, review everything once more for accuracy. After entering your information, save the changes. At this point, you may be prompted to verify the new account. Verification can happen in a few ways. Some portals offer instant verification through a secure bank login. Others will send small test deposits, often called micro deposits, to your bank within 1 to 3 business days. If you see that option, keep an eye on your bank activity and return to the portal to confirm the exact amounts. Until verification is complete, payouts may be paused or held, so it's smart to make this change ahead of your usual payout cycle. If you're transitioning from an old account, consider keeping it open until any pending transfers clear. Once verified, you should see the new account listed as your active payout method. That's it. By logging in, navigating to banking or payout settings, updating your details, and completing verification when prompted, you'll ensure your Doordash payouts continue smoothly. Always double check your information to prevent delays and you'll be all set.